Hi friends, how are you doing? I hope you all are thoroughly bored at home but safe. I'm going to make some videos on photography. The title of this blog is going to be Photography Corona in these times of Corona. I mean, how corny can that get? But I'll try to make small, short, simple videos which would be of interest and useful to you. This first video I'm going to make is about something that annoys me the most in photography. Are you familiar with dust spots on your sensors? You know, those tiny specks of dust that you can only see once you copy the images to your computer from the camera. These are dust which comes when you change lenses in the field, and invariably the dust tends to end up on the sensor. So when you remove the lens and you see the sensor, this is a mirrorless, so there's no mirror in it. If you are using a DSLR, you would be having a mirror in front of it. So there are these dust spots right on the sensor which tend to show up on your images later on. So how do you remove it? How do you clean your sensor? That's going to be this first blog all about. Now, first thing you want to do is take photograph of a plain white wall or a white monitor and shoot at f/22 at a cleaner ISO. Import this photograph in Lightroom and see how the spots look. When you open this image and go to the spot removal tool somewhere on the top, and when you press A, it will show you all the dust spots that are there on the sensor. It is pretty ugly, and you need the following tools to clean up the mess. You need a rocket blower. This is called rocket blower for the simple reason that at times it does take off like a rocket. That's how it goes. You need this kind of brush. If you don't have one, take it from your wife or girlfriend's makeup kit. And you need a lens cleansing solution like this. You'll also need a sensor cleaner brush, which you can buy from Amazon. This is APS-C size cleaner, but I would suggest you use a full frame cleaner. It is a simple brush like this. What you need to do is, after blowing on your sensor a few times, and then blow it also on the brush and clean it gently inside on the sensor. Once you're done, take this sensor cleaner, apply the liquid cleaner on it a few times on both the sides, and then very gently clean it inside on the sensor. Just do it a couple of times, once and twice. Maybe if required, if you see still some dust, you can do it twice. Again, use this rocket blower a couple of times. Put on the lens and then take photograph again of the same white wall and see how it goes. I have taken photograph of the wall, and after cleaning the sensor, just have a look at how clean the sensor looks now. This is without the spot removal tool. This shows how the sensor is now clean, and you don't have to spend a lot of time in post-processing in Photoshop or Lightroom trying to remove all these spots. I hope this tutorial was useful to you. keep on shooting photographic Corona in these times of Corona, and I'll see you again soon. Bye bye. Be safe.